Welcome to WizTechAI, your gateway to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, space news, tech updates, and Python coding. Immerse yourself in the wonders of AI as we explore its applications, advancements, and potential. Learn to code like a pro with our Python tutorials and unlock the secrets of this powerful programming language. Embark on a cosmic journey as we delve into the mysteries of space. From the latest space missions to mind-blowing discoveries, we'll keep you informed and inspired. Stay up to date with the ever-evolving world of technology through our tech news updates. At WizTechAI, we believe in the power of knowledge. Expand your understanding of AI, space, and technology, and be at the forefront of the latest advancements. Join our community of tech enthusiasts and stay ahead of the curve. Become a part of the vibrant WizTechAI community. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your ideas, and collaborate on exciting projects. Together, we can shape the future of AI and technology. Don't miss out on the latest AI, space, tech, and coding content. Subscribe to WizTechAI now and join the journey towards a smarter future. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the world of AI, space, tech, and coding. Stay curious, keep learning, and together, let's unleash the power of AI.